Okay, so here are the results. These plates have been incubating for 3 days at 28 degrees centigrade. The top row, those are our TET 0 plate. From left to right, it starts from 10 to the negative 1 and goes to 10 to the negative 5. In the middle, those are our TET 3 plates. Starts at 10 to the negative 1 on the left and goes to 10 to the negative 3 on the right. The same is true for our bottom plates, which are TET 30, going from 10 to the negative 1 on the left to 10 to the negative 3 on the right. We're looking for plates that have between 30 and 300 colonies. It looks like for the TET 0 plate there, you can see 10 to the negative 4. For the TET 3 plate, it looks like 10 to the negative 2. And for the TET 30 plate, it looks like 10 to the negative 1. Now I'm going to look at those 3 plates individually so you can get counts of bacteria. So here's our TET 0 plate. This is 10 to the negative 4 dilution. Should be able to get a good count there of CFUs, colony forming units. Okay, and hopefully there's between 30 and 300. We're going to move this over. We will then put in our next plate. This is our TET 3 plate. For our TET 3 plate, this is the 10 to the negative 2 dilution. Move this out of the way, and we will get our last plate. Here is our TET 30 plate, and this is a 10 to the negative 1 dilution. So the next step is that we want to take this plate and we want to make sure that we have a good pure colony. These colonies all seem pretty good. They're isolated in there growing, but I want to make sure that no bacteria are combined into making any one of these colonies. This is my TET 30 plate, 10 to the negative 1 dilution. I think I'm going to take that little colony that's all by itself right there. Okay, I'm going to do a quadrant streak on this plate, and so I'm going to start with the loop. I'll straighten out my loop. We will flame it. Flip this plate over, get this plate ready, and all I'm going to do is go in, we'll dry it out here. I'm just going to take a little bit right off of that colony. That's plenty of bacteria. I'm going to go over here where the label is, and I'm just going to streak that out right there where that label is. Okay, I'm going to flame my loop. Then I'm going to cool it off a little bit. And then from here I'm just going to drag out some pieces. We'll just drag that out, drag that out, drag that out, drag that out like that. We'll flame my loop. And we will cool it off again. And then through here I'm going to drag it out, dragging through my already done ones with a less and less and less. Then we'll cool it off one more time. And then I'm going to just drag it out through there, and we'll go less and less and less as we drag out those pieces, getting them nice and fine all the way through the entire plate. And we will heat this up. And then I'm going to parafilm this and put it in the incubator. Okay, after incubation, here is my streak plate. We can see that we have nice isolated colonies here that are growing very well, and those should be completely isolated and ready to move on to the next step, which is the DNA extraction and PCR.